there's everybody waiting for their treats. There's Benny Boy, but he knows how to sit. Yes, he does. And Mom's going to reach over here, and everybody's going to get their treats. Look at that. Look at that sweet boy. Oh, he's watching. He's very smart. He knows everybody has to wait their turn. Yes, everybody has to wait their turn. Okay, first we're going to give Bear. You got to wait. You wait. Wait. Good boy. Good boy. And now Angel. Wait, Benny. Wait. Benny, come here. There, that's for you. Be gentle. Good boy. And Wiz is bringing up the rear. Okay, Wiz, you're kind of late for the show here, son. Okay, wait, Benny, wait. Good boy. Very good boy. Okay, Benny gets one more because he was very good. There he is. Yes, good boy. Yes, there's all the kids. There's Benny Boy. Yeah, my little guard dog. Yes, he's such a good boy. Yes, he is. Yes, he's still a little shy, but he's getting better. And he just lets me do everything, but he's in love with me. Yes, he is. He figures Mom's doing pretty good. He's just in love with me. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Okay, y'all don't wrestle around. Be good boy. Be good boy. You're very good. Say hi. Say hi. I'm very good boy. I'm just a little scared. Yeah, but I'm very good. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. There he is. He's going to do a sit. There's my boy. Very good. Yes, you are such a good, smart boy. You are very good and smart, Benny. You are just very good and smart. Yes, you are. Okay, say bye. Say see you later.